Time to tidy up your yard. Turn garden debris into nutrient-rich mulch with the Chipper Joe electric chipper and shredder from Sunjoe. Assembly is easy. Mount the wheels, screw it into place, plug it in, and go. 14 amps of rotary blade power to reduce, reuse, and recycle. Brush, leaves, branches, twigs, chip, shred, mulch, and compost. With an electric motor that runs at up to 4,300 revolutions per minute. And steel blades that reduce waste to 1/16 of its original size. Chipper Joe can do it all. Create perfect mulch for trees, flower beds, and lawns. Clean your yard and nurture it. No smoke, no fumes, no finicky starters or costly tune-ups. It just works. Shred branches up to 1.5 inches thick quickly and safely with its removable safety switch and safety stop that automatically engages when the hopper is opened. Chipper Joe is ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty. When yard chores seem to be overwhelming, chipper up with some help from Chipper Joe and experience a faster and easier way to chip and shred. Get the tools that do the doing. Chipper Joe from Sunjoe. Get equipped.
We're going to be taking a look at Sunjoe's 15 amp wood chipper. This can take branches up to 1.57 inches. It has a 15 amp motor, like I said, so make sure that you do have the correct size extension cord, and snowjoe.com can help you pick out the right one. It will
take in branches up to 1.57 inches, like I just said, and small shrubs, twigs. You can even put some garden waste in here, dried out garden waste. All your chippings will come out the very bottom. You can either blow it right into your flower bed and wheel this along, shred, make a little pile, wheel it, shred, make a little pile, rake it all out. That'll be excellent. Or you can put a small container underneath here to gather the chippings and put them exactly where you want, or compost them, or get rid of them. One of the neat things that this comes with is this feeder panel, and that you can use to shove waste right down inside. And remember, never put your hands inside there, and that will always snap on the side, so it can stay out of the way when you don't need to use it. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to show you how to assemble it, then I'm going to show you how to maintain it, and then we're going to use it to make some cool mulch and wood chippings. We'll be right there. To do the really simple assembly on the Sunjoe 15 amp wood chipper, all you need to do is make sure you have your main body, your stand, you'll have an axle spacers and nuts and washers, you'll have hubcap and 2 wheels, you'll have the axle wrench, you're going to have 2 Phillips screws, and a paddle holder. The only tool you'll need to provide is a Phillips head screwdriver. Now the first step is taking the legs, the stand itself, which is made out of bar steel, and just shoving that in to the bottom of the chipper. Then you'll be installing your screws. Don't forget to install your screws into the legs, but for brevity, I just want to show you how to get it all together. Then what you'll be doing is you will take your axle, and there's holes in the legs, you'll be sliding the axle through. Then you'll take your first spacer, second spacer, your wheel slides right on, washer, and your nylon nut. Then you'll take your wrench, you'll just secure that wheel down, and then you'll go ahead and attach it on the other side as well. You'll put the other wheel on the other side, and then you will snap your hubcaps on. Last but not least, you'll be snapping on your paddle holder, so that when you're not using it, it can hold the paddle for you when you're putting branches inside and whatnot. We don't need to use the paddle to shove debris through the chipper. So let's take a look at the inside of the chipper now that we've yeah, we're behind the machine now where you're going to be operating it. And as you can see, it's turned off. The extension cord is unplugged. Always make sure the extension cord is unplugged if you're going to open up the machine. And as a safety feature, if you want to make sure the kids can't plug it in and use it, you can pull that lock out of the off switch, and they won't be able to turn it on. If you do happen to overload the machine, there is a reset button here that you can press after letting it cool down for a minute, and then you can run the machine again. Now, to maintain the machine is quite easy, or if you get any sort of jam in it or anything, make sure you power it off, pull that safety key out, unplug the machine, and let it cool down for a few minutes. Then you can go and you can open this red access screw right here, and you can open the machine. Now, let me turn it around so that you can get a look at what you're going to see when you open that up. Now, if you look closely, right there is one of your double blades. Okay, they include this wrench. There's your blades. You can push the motor. Since it's turned off and unplugged, I know I'm not going to hurt myself. You can take the blades out. You can easily remove the screws by reaching down in with the wrench. The blades are reversible, so if they get a little dull on one side, you can just remove them and flip them. And use the other side, and the blades are replaceable, obviously, because you can take them out and flip them around. You can see the metal housing in here. You can see how it feeds the waste in into this housing area here, and then it'll shoot it out the bottom of the machine. So this is easy to maintain. Any person can maintain it. You don't have to be handy with tools. It's easy to operate. It's a simple on-off switch and a reset switch as needed. And then anytime that you need to take it apart, you just use that red knob there and the wrench that they provide to change your blades out. So let's go use it. Let's start chipping some wood. It's electric. You'll have it fire up a gas engine. It's easy to move around. Weighs about 26 pounds total. Stands on its own, nice and stable. Has larger wheels for rougher terrain and has a built-in handle. And your paddle is tethered to the machine and self-feeds. And if anything gets stuck towards the way down, you just use your paddle to push it through. Again, thanks for watching my quick review of Sunjoe's 15 amp 1.5 inch wood chipper. Thanks for watching.
biggest sticks with knots in them.